I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Ayan, so let's check kung anong nangyayari sa mga paligid, kung ano na ang update sa inyong romantic life. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, no? So kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. So natatakot ako baka mamaya. Nakamute pala ako. So let's start with the King of Cups. So either this is you or this is your person. Ayaw umamin, hindi pa umaamin, ayaw pang i-reveal ang kanyang emotion, ayaw pang sabihin ang kanyang nararamdaman, or ayaw pang ipahalata, no? I think that this person is loving you secretly. Ayan. The Hanged Woman, so, alam niyang merong paghanga. Alam niyang you are important, no? Pero hindi pa siya ganun ka-sure if kakayanin ba niya, no? Itong magkaroon ng isang committed relationship. I think that this person also has a lot of dreams in life. Pwede natin din sabihin na meron din itong mga bagay na obligations in life. So, para marami siyang kinoconsider na factor, no? Uunahin ba niya ang kanyang puso or uunahin niya ang mga taong importante sa kanya kung obligations ito, or uunahin ba niya yung dreams niya kaysa sa puso niya? Let's clarify on that with the Sun and the Princess of Wands. I feel like matagal niya ng plinano, no? Itong either inspirations or dreams na gusto niyang ma-achieve. Kaso nung parang dumating ka sa buhay niya, hindi mo naman siya ginulo no? Nagulo siya. Nagulo siya on their own, okay? It's not your fault. Kasalanan mo ba, 'di ba? Dumating ka lang, kumbaga, na-meet ka niya, so parang siya mismo, they were shaken, no? Parang let's say, isa sa mga example nito, example lang to, hindi ito yung totoong nangyayari, no? Ang pinakamagandang example nito is, let's say, yung nagpapare, no? Syempre may tinatawag yan after yung ilang years, lalabas muna siya ng isang taon. That's actually a test if he would love to continue, no? And then, may mga after paglabas sa seminaryo, no? Hindi na nakakabalik. It's because of na-fall in love na. I've known someone na yung ganun yung scenario. And mag-asawa sila ngayon, no? So parang ganun. Yung parang met test, no? Hindi man hiningi, nakita niya, no? Nakita niya yung asawa niya ngayon. So hindi na siya nakabalik. So parang ganun din yung nangyayari. Hindi mo siya kasalanan, no? Siya yung kumbaga mahina yung kanyang, or somewhat hindi man mahina, na shaken, no? Yung kanyang faith, whether this is ipagpatuloy itong dreams niya. So ibig sabihin, ganun kalakas yung impact mo kay person. Kaya medyo nag-aalinlangan siya, no? With the Wheel of Fortune and the Two of Cups. So ito na nga. Alin ba talaga ang pipiliin niya? The dreams, aspirations, money, abundance, Wheel of Fortune, or the emotion, the Two of Cups, no? The love. Will this person can equate the attention, on each side, or is it gonna be a bit hard for this person to continue? That's actually my question. With the Seven of Wands, the Five of Cups, the King of Coins, and the Four of Coins. Seven of Wands. So, I think that this person is going to pursue both, no? Kasi Seven of Wands, he will try pa muna. But then again, kakayanin as much as this person can. Pero dadating kasi yung part na with the Five of Cups, parang dadating yung part na sandali, I'm getting exhausted, no? Nakakahinayang din if in case parehong mag-slow down, no? Kasi mawawala yung focus, mawawala yung consistency ba, no? If I'm spending 8 hours on you, for example, no? Mapapabayaan ko yung kabila. If I'm spending 8 hours here, papabayaan kita. So, dadating yung part na the exhaustion is real and this person's going to choose one. I feel like dadating yung part na isasantabi ka muna for a little while. Kasi with the King of Coins, unahin niya muna yung sarili niya. And I think that's understandable. Even if I feel like very practical, the King of Coins, no? Inuna niya muna yung sarili niya. And pagbubutihan niya kasi, no, with the Four of Coins. I think that most of you are already in this situation of iniwan muna kayo for samantala. Pangsamantala. I think that this person went either out of the country or pursue their dreams or focused in their career. Ace of Coins, the Ten of Coins, the Ace of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. Meron pa naman pagpupursue, no? Ang mangyayari lang dito is mag-slow down. Fluctuations of the energy might gonna happen. So, dadating yung part talaga, no? I think that this person, no, humihingi din ng help. Kung kaya ko lang hatiin yung katawan ko, then why not, no? Yung kalahati, nasa yung kalahati. I'm pursuing for myself, no? Or for other people, for my family. Pero malaki kasi ang chance dito na ang uunahin niya is either for themselves or for their family. Hindi naman natin ano yun eh. Kumbaga, no hurt feelings din naman. Ibang story kung pinagpalit, 'di ba? Kung may third party. Pero kung pipiliin niya yung kanyang dreams, sino ba naman tayo, 'di ba, para pigilan yung tao na i-pursue yung dreams niya, no? Kung babalik. Meron pa namang connections. Yun nga lang, mabagal. So, tutumal. Ngayon, parang ang mangyayari dito is nasa sa atin, no? Kung maaantay ba natin tong person na to or mananawa tayo sa ganitong process, no? Sa ganitong sistema. The ball is actually on your court to make a decision now. Are you going to wait for the person? Let me know sa comment section. Or are you done waiting? let me know also in the comment section. But here is your reading. So, kung gusto nyo pong magtanong sa akin, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Yeah, kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm sorry. Medyo parang nayanig ako. I don't know kung lumindol. But I feel like lumindol. The zodiac sign here is Pisces. I'm seeing Taurus, Cancer, Leo. I'm seeing Virgo. I'm seeing Scorpio. Capricorn is here. Gemini is here. Sagittarius is here. I am also seeing Leo. Yeah, nasabi ko na yung Leo. Yeah, Pisces, nasabi ko na rin. Libra is here. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.